I apologize. There was a minor mix-up in mailing. Karen took her 2 flash drives, fumbled, and sent them to the wrong editors. On behalf of us all at Cooking with Karen, I am sorry. Things will be sorted out for next season.
Hoagie, I just want you to pay attention to me. Are you paying attention, Hoagie? Okay. Apples and oranges. Oranges and pears. Pears are my favorite, so don't take it if you dare. I don't want fruit. No, me. I had a revelation last night. I am officially a rapper. My influences are salt and pepper, strawberry wine, and fried green tomatoes. I will read you a verse from my rap, okay? I'm not gonna rap it though, because I don't want any spoilers. This verse is very personal to me because it's about my garden that I take very good care of, okay? Step into my garden. It's in full bloom. We can hang out here before going to the room. Karen's got everything you need. Get it in now, then plant the seed. Okay. Karen is a fierce bitch. I don't need no man, but every guy in the street is my biggest fan. Dude with his women, but his eyes still scam. Me walking by, shaking my jam, jam, jam. Okay. Okay, so I'm really excited about this project, guys. Today, we're making a club rap. Get it? Because I wrote a club rap and we're making a club rap, so we're gonna make a club rap. I'm really excited because I got all this stuff from my garden today, except for the tortillas. Who's at the door? Let me go get those tortillas. I'm kind of attached to a cord. Do you want to go get them for me? Wow, look at these. They're let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. I don't know the rest of the words, and if I did, that would probably be copywritten. So now we're gonna cut some chicken and we're gonna cut some tomatoes and we're gonna make the most delicious club wrap ever. I'm gonna get us a good one, boys.
You get it?
Yeah.
You get it, Karen?
Come over here, look at the chicken. Look at the chicken I just caught. Got this little rascal.
Well, looks like a good one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's sort of cage free. And you just, oh, he's a tender one. Okay. I'm full. Okay. Now, let's chop the chicken. What happened to spoons? Notice how I'm like cutting my chicken this way. It's not necessarily more efficient, but it's my way. And I just wanted you to notice that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in a little chicken salad. Okay. So we got all of our chicken chopped. We're cooking, chopping, prepping veggies for our club wrap. Oh my word, I love being a rapper.
What are you doing, Karen?
Solo.
Is this allowed on YouTube?
All right, so come over here and let's chop some veggies. So honestly, I'm not quite sure how I want to cut these because I could either dice the tomato or I could slice the tomato. What do you think? Write in the comments below.
Diced.
All right, I guess majority rules and we're doing diced. All right, so you just cut them into little slices like that. And then I'm just gonna kind of do little chunks like this. And I want big chunks for this. I want to make sure people know that tomatoes are in this wrap.
This is a certified hood classic.
So now we're gonna season our chicken with some salt and just a little bit, just a few little grinds. Okay. And now we're gonna do some pepper. And I want a good amount of that. Shake twice if you know what I mean. And now we just stir. And you want to add enough mayonnaise so that everything sticks together, but you don't want it too wet.
This is hood classic.
And now we're assembling our club wrap. I know how to break it down at the club.
Do men ever approach you at the club?
You want to have a good base layer chicken salad. This is that big tortilla. You can come over here, I guess, and I'll just walk you through how to make a fucking sandwich. Down. Because apparently kids can't figure it out nowadays. You're the future, I think. Put some bacon on, and see how it's too long? We're gonna just cut it.
Cut?
Just kind of put it on like that. And traditionally, a club sandwich has toasted bread, but since this is a club wrap, we're going to not do that because this isn't bread. It's homemade tortillas from my abablo. You want to keep everything kind of in one pile, and it'll be important later. Focus on me. Focus. Are you focusing?
Yeah, I'm focused.
Hoagie, are you watching? Hoagie, blink once if you're watching. We're going to add some greens that are fresh from my mostly green garden. Definitely green this time of year on Cooking with Karen. So now what you do is you smoosh everything down, make sure you didn't forget any ingredients. Okay. And then you pull up like this, and you kind of just push it all a little bit towards the middle. Okay, and press it. And I'm doing it burrito style, which means you do this side, tuck it in, and kind of line it up like an envelope. And then tuck in this side like this. Okay? Okay. So see, you have a little envelope. All right, so now this is the hard part, the first few folds. So you kind of use your fingers to hold everything in.
Looked like you were curling it as well into the wrap.
Yeah, you kind of curl it in and push it in at the same time. Just look at my hands and you'll figure it out. Okay, making sure it's nice and tight like me. And there you go. Okay, now let's see how we did with our chicken salad wrap thing. Okay. Oh, chicken club wrap. Gang, 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 gang.
Can I have some? I need to quit my job.
That's so good. Oh my God. But do you want what's even better? Me. All right. Comment in the... Janet always messages. Finishing the show. Okay, clap. Hoagie, pay attention. I know you like to sleep on me. What more do you want me to do? Oh, I forgot the chips. Quick before they look. Look away. I'm not. I got these from my Jeffrey. Jeffrey, the guy that makes chips. Little chip maker. Okay, I'm finishing up the. Oh wait. Hoagie, I'm finishing up the episode. Oh wait. Hoagie, I'm finishing up the episode. Pay attention. I'm gonna clap one more time, and that's gonna be the ending shot. Okay? Okay. All right. Didn't see their name is Karen, but don't ID me. Bitches gripping their mans in close proximity. I'm a fight over your man, no referee. See you in a week at the next divorce party. Step into my kitchen. We got salads, desserts, pasta, the whole lot. Meats are tender, juicy, and cooked to perfection. If you could cook half as goody, man, we'll leave you on dick suspension. Ow. Excuse me? Excuse me? Have you already forgotten who I am? Don't avoid eye contact. I'm talking to you, ma'am. Want to know why your husband is looking my way? Because he want to get in this crab brew. No. Don't dislike my videos because I dislike that.